Let's begin.
Hey guys, welcome back to the lecture. List boxes are another great tool for creating dashboards. With a list box you can control a chart or a bunch of charts. In this video tutorial we are going to create a list box of countries to control two charts, sales and net sales. We'll use three worksheets: data with sales and net sales for each country and each month, analysis that it will help us to create our interactive charts, and finally presentation sheet, which is our storefront. We are also going to use two functions, index and column. I'll show you all the steps in detail, so don't worry if it sounds complex to you right now. Keep in mind that one of the key concepts of the data model is the organization of data into three layers: data, analysis and presentation. Okay, go to the presentation worksheet and let's get started. From the developer tab and insert button, click list box and draw it somewhere here. Right click and choose format control. The input range is going to be on our data sheet from B3 to B14. It's the cell range with countries. The cell link will be on our analysis sheet, cell A2. Check 3D shading and OK. If you want to, try it by going to this sheet. Select the third country and from the analysis sheet, see the number 3. Now we are going to use the index function. Index returns a value or a reference to a value from within a table or range. Highlight the B2 cell and type in equal index parentheses. The array is the cell range with countries, so go to data sheet and select B3 to B14. For row number, highlight the A2 cell from the analysis worksheet. We don't need to insert the column number, so close parentheses and hit enter. The formula returns the name of country based on a selection from the presentation worksheet. Select for example USA, which is the 7th item on the list, and see the results. Now we are going to insert the formula for January sales. Type equal index and now we are going to select all the sales data from C3 to N14 with absolute reference. We use absolute reference because later we are going to copy the formula to the right until the last month. For row number, highlight again the A2 cell from the analysis worksheet. Now, because our data range covers more than one column, we have to use the column function. Column function returns the column number of a given cell reference. Select the C2 cell, but we want to write it as a range, so type C2 to C2 and absolute the first reference. As we are going to copy the formula, it will change only the second reference. Close parentheses and hit enter. It returns this amount, which is correct if we check it from the data sheet. Copy it to the right and check again the amounts. Great, they are all correct. We managed to create the data we needed to make our chart. So highlight the cell range B2 to N3 and from the Insert tab, choose Cluster Column Chart. Right-click on it and select Move Chart. We want the chart to be placed in the presentation worksheet. OK, move it somewhere there and let's change country from list box. It works fine as you can see. Great. We will follow exactly the same steps to create a second chart for net sales this time. So let's get started. So we learned list boxes, a great tool for dashboards. Thanks for watching.